If you have been wondering how can you share your live location on WhatsApp, you are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end and I'll show you exactly how can you do that again. So let's jump right into it. First we need to get something out of the way. We need to go to your Play Store. So let's go ahead and open your app drawer, then open Play Store or App Store of course. And then from here, make sure you have the WhatsApp app updated to the latest version. Now after that, we need to go to the search bar and search for Google Maps. You need to have that installed and updated as well, as you can see here in the picture, or at least have a newer version, not one of those very old versions. After that, you can finally go ahead and we'll start by opening the Google Maps. So after finding or opening Google Maps, tap right here to locate or to precise your location. It will take you right to your location, so go ahead and tap there, and then after that tap on your location right here, this gray point, sometimes it's going to be blue, tap on it, and then from here you need to tap on share location of course. So once you tap right there, you'll get this window from the bottom of the screen, and from here you can of course set the duration of the window or duration of your location, your live location of course. I'm going to set it to 30 minutes right here. And then from here in the bottom, I'll find all the apps that I can share my location to. Tap on WhatsApp, and then from here, tap on share in the bottom right corner. It will take you to settings to give it some permission. So tap on go to settings. From your settings, make it, allow it to have permission to a location all the time, just like that. Now from here, you can just tap on WhatsApp. It will take you to the app, choose the conversation that you want to send the location to, and just send it. And it is as simple as that. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Of course, leave your questions and concerns down in the comments. I'll try to reply to every single one of them. And also don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.